Good morning, dears. In previous class, we studied about number line and how to mark numbers on a number line. If we want to mark the numbers from 32 and 40, how will we mark on a number line? Let's see. First, we will take a ruler or scale and we'll draw a straight line. Here is a straight line, and what we want to mark in this number line from 32 to 40. So, can you see how many numbers in between 32 and 40? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So we want to mark 9 numbers in this number line. So here I am using, or here I am starting from number 0 and then 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, 70, 80. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need only 9 numbers to mark in this number line. So the gap between these points are equal because I am using a ruler to mark these points. So starting from 32, the next number 33, then 34, 35, 36, and 37, and 38, 39, and 40. So, the numbers are ending with 40. No, here we want to draw 2 arrow marks. So, in previous class, we studied how to draw a number line and how to mark the numbers on a number line. So, why do we need a number line? This is what we are going to study in the second lesson, lesson number 2, comparing numbers using a number line. Lesson number 2. Comparing numbers using a number line. This is the name of second lesson, comparing numbers using a number line. I have 2 eyes and I have 10 fingers. Which is greater in amount? Eyes 2 and fingers 10. Then fingers. So we know 10 is more than, or 10 is greater than 2. Then I have 6 chocolates and you have 3 chocolates. Which is greater? Mine, because I have 6 chocolates. When we count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here 3 comes in first, and after 4, 5 and 6, 6 comes. After 3 numbers, 6 comes. So 6 is greater than 3 and 3 is smaller. So I can say 6 is greater than 3. While using fingers or by counting, we can say which is greater and we can say which is smaller. Here we are going to say which is greater and which is smaller by using number line. Number 32 and 38. We don't know which is greater. So, from the number line, we can easily say which is greater. So I'm going to draw a number line. So here I'm starting from 32, then 33, 34, 35 and 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So can you say which are numbers given? Number 32, here number 32 and 38. Here is 38. So now can you say which is greater? Number 38 is greater. So we can say number 38 is greater than number 32. Here we know that in a number line, if we go to the right, side, then the number are greater and greater. And when we move to the left side, the number is decreasing. In a number line, we can say which number is greater. And can you say in the numbers 34 and 39, can you say which is smaller? Here 34 in here in the number line, and where is 39? 39 is in here. So can you say which is smaller, 34 or 39? 34. So 34 is smaller. So instead of writing in words, we can use a symbols. Here 38 is greater than 32. So 38 is greater than 32. So here we use a symbol to represent the greater than, the word greater than. It is 38 and 32. We use this symbol. Here, this symbol. Here we use the symbol, this symbol, to indicate the word greater than. So we can say 38 is greater than 32 and 38 is greater than 32. So instead of writing the greater than, the word greater than, we can use this symbol. And also here 34 is less than 39. So we write 34 is smaller or less than 39. 34 is smaller than 39. So we can use 34 and 39 here, and the symbol, this symbol. Here the big mouth, the mouth of this symbol here. Here the mouth of this symbol is on towards the large number. Here the mouth of this symbol, the large mouth of this symbol towards the large number, towards the greater number. And the back side, that is small mouth. Here the small mouth is towards the smaller number. So here we use the large mouth towards greater number and small mouth towards smaller number. So we use 34 is less than 39 by using this symbol. From the number line, we can just say which number is greater and which number is smaller. So here, I want to check which number is greater and which number is smaller. Here, I have some question. Here a number line is given and some questions. Here we want to say which number is greater, 65 or 69, 66 or 70, and 70 and 64. So here we want to say which number is greater. Can you say? Can you say from first? In first, which number is greater? 65 and 69. Here 65 in here and 69 in here. So can you say 69 is greater? So 69 is greater than 65. We use the symbol, and here the large mouth towards the greater number. Large mouth towards the greater number. So in next question, 66 and 70. Here 66 and here 70. 66 and 70. Here 70 in the right side and 66 is in left side in own number line. So we can say 70 is greater. So we write 70 is greater than 66. And the third question. How can you say 70 and 64? Which is greater? So here 70 is in here and 64. 64 is here. 64 or 70, which is greater? 70 is in right side and 64 is in left side. So which is greater? 70. So 70 is greater than 64. So here we can say which number is smaller. So the question number 4, 62 and 70 is in here. So in number line, 62 is here and 70 is here. So can you say which number is smaller, 62 or 70? Here 62 is in left side of number line and 70 in right side of number line. So we can say 62 is smaller than 70. So we write 62 is smaller than 70. That is the small mouth of the symbol towards the smaller number. And the fifth question, 71 and 66. Here goes 66 and here 71. Can you say which is smaller? 66 because it is in left side of number line and 71 in right side. So we can say 66 is smaller than 71. And the sixth question, 67 and 63. Here goes 63 and then 67. 63 is here and 67 is here. Here we know 63 in left side and 67 right side. So we can write 63 is smaller than 67. Now we could say which number is smaller and which number is greater just looking in a number line. So, can you say which number is greater or smaller without drawing a number line or without counting? Can you say? If I told you the number, which number is greater, the number 25 or 32? Can you say number 25 or 32? Just imagine the number line. Imagine this is your number line and you know and you are going to start with number 25 and I told you which number is greater, 25 or 32. Starting from 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. So here 32 is greater. I will ask you one more question, which is smaller, number 18 or 12? Number 18 or 12? We know if we draw a number line starting from 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 12 is in here and 18 here in the right side of the number line and in left side 12. So 12 is smaller than 18. Today we studied one use of number line. So don't forget to do your worksheets today itself. Thank you. See you later. Bye.